Let's have a soapy minute. Man, did the man crate people in China wrap this one? Holy cow, I think it's China Post. Large, no, it's Royal Mail. It came from Great Britain. What did I order from Great Britain? Definitely a man crate wrapper. I tried to open this early and I hope I don't cut anything on the inside. It's definitely open it with scissors. Ooh, that was close. Ooh. Well, that's really cute. It's SpongeBob faces. So we've got Squidward and the snail and Sandy and Plankton and Patrick and SpongeBob and some, oh, Mr. Krabs. So look at the whole gang here. How awesome is that? My daughter is going to be so thrilled. I'll have to make a soap just for her. my sweet littlest one that you hear laughing in the background every once in a while. Alrighty, that's so cool. I don't even remember ordering this, guys. It's been so long. Okay, talk to you next time. Click like and subscribe and come on back if you want to see some fun things that I'm getting in the mail to make more soapy treats. Bye for now.